My people, we got another one. We about to try parlay. Let's give it a try. So we got a feast today, y'all. We got the bang bang shrimp, the mild wings, the thai wings, and the nachos, man. Y'all see it. About to sample it all, y'all. Wings. It's a good wing right
That
there,
looks
though.
good. Woo! We gonna come here and eat.
Bang bang shrimp, y'all.
Now that looks good.
Oh yeah. This whole meal sloppy, y'all. Got a banger, y'all. Parlay is one of them ones. A lot of options, a lot of choices. You see, I got leftovers, man. That's always a good thing. The service was great. The food was busting. I get all the food. Total rating, a solid 9 out of 10. Yeah, y'all. Tap in. Let's get it, boo. Woo!